Hello friends, from today I am now starting new series on EMT or electromagnetic theory. Today I am starting Introduction to Electrostatic. From the word you can say that static means rest. Electro means electric. So whenever the electric term is coming, then there must be a term charge. Now you can say me, what is charge? Actually, the charge has no proper definition, such as mass has no proper definition. But whenever we can say Q equals IT or I equals Q by T, from that we can define the charge, that is per unit time current. But this is not proper definition. Somebody defines it as Q equals NE, but charge has no proper definition. Only you can remember that whenever the charge flows, there generates a current. Per unit time, whenever the charge flows, there generates current. Okay, so in the basics of electrostatic is dependent on the first thing, that is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. So before coming to the Coulomb's law, today I will discuss the first about charge. Charge is two type: static, that is at rest; dynamic, that is moving. So whenever the charge is at rest, Q is at rest, then comes electrostatic. And whenever the charge is moving, then come electrodynamic, ED. Okay, but for Coulomb's law, for defining Coulomb's law, there are two types of charges. One is source charge, another is test charge. Okay, so what is the Coulomb's law? Suppose I am now coming to the definition of source charge and test charge. Suppose there is a charge, small plus q. Okay, and here is another charge plus q, capital Q, at a distance. So we have to calculate. This is the charge. Force. What we have to calculate? Force on the charge small q, due to which? Due to this capital Q term. So if we have to calculate force on small charge small q due to this capital Q terms, then we are coming to the definition of source charge and test charge. So due to which we have to calculate the force, that will be test charge. We are defining, and on which the force is calculated, force on the charge Q, that will be defined as source charge. So now they are at a distance smaller. So what will be the Coulomb's law? Force. Before coming to the force, what will be the electric field? So electric field, first of all, a vector quantity. So I will now discuss about what will be the electric field and what will be the force due to this Coulomb's law in my next lecture, in my next video. There I will discuss more about Coulomb's law. To the definition of Coulomb's law, there I will discuss. Thank you.